Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you this no makeup look. Very sun-kissed. I also did some faux freckles as well, so I really hope you guys enjoy. There's also going to be a giveaway in this video, so make sure you check out the description on how you can enter. So starting off with a bare face, I do have a top on, you just can't see it, but I promise I am wearing a top. Primer, I actually use a new one. It's the Velvet Skin Primer by The Face Shop. When I was trying this out, I didn't really like the texture, but I kept it on all day and my skin looked amazing at the end of the day, so I really recommend it. For foundation, I actually decided to go for a tinted moisturizer. The thing is, this is a no makeup look and it's a summer edition. I wanted something that was very light on my skin, so this is one by NARS in the shade Saint Tropez. It blends in so nicely. I used my fingers because I felt like it would give the most natural look. I do have a slight tan on my forehead, so I had to work it all the way up into my hairline to make sure that I was one shade. I love the look that this gives to my skin. It looks so natural and so glowy. For my brows, I use the Maybelline Brow Precise Pencil. It's very small. It's actually called a micro pencil. It gives a really natural look to your brows. I start at the end and work my way forward, just making sure that there are no sparse areas and they look nice and thick. I also just brush them through to make sure that all the product is distributed evenly and that there are no harsh lines. So I didn't really want to wear eyeshadow for this look, but surprise surprise, I just went with bronzer instead. I feel like every makeup tutorial is just like bronzer on my eyes, but I just love the way it looks. Just to give my eyes some definition, I applied bronzer. I also applied a lip balm, and this is tinted, so you'll see my lips go really pink, but don't worry, like it's just a lip balm. My eyeliner, I actually used a brown eyeliner just so that the look was very soft and not too harsh. This one is by Tony Moly, I think is how you say it. I don't know, it was sent to me, but I love using brown gel eyeliner. It just really enhances your natural lashes and doesn't look too harsh, as I said. I also curled my lashes. I never wear mascara without curling my lashes. It makes such a difference. I really recommend doing it if you wear mascara on a daily basis. Then I just use one of my favourite mascaras at the moment, and that is the Iconic mascara. My lashes are long but they're not very full. This mascara makes your lashes look so full. I absolutely love it. I love the way that this makes my lashes look. It makes them look very fluttery and full. I don't think it's too expensive either. So moving back to my face, I went in with concealer. This is a new one by EX1 in the shade number 3. It's super full coverage and I really didn't need much, so I put way too much on my hand and I was like, where the heck do I put this? So I just put it randomly all over my face. So I just blended that underneath my eyes and then also, like I said, on my forehead and my chin. And then I used my finger again just to blend that in and make sure that it gave a really natural look. Powder, I used one by Etude House, and again, this was my first time using it. It was a really good powder, but I did feel like it gave a white cast on my skin. I prefer translucent powders, but overall it is a really good powder. It kept me matte all day. So to sculpt out my skin a little bit, I used an old favourite by Maybelline. This makes you look so chiseled and also quite bronzed at the same time. I really like it. So I applied that on my cheekbones and also on my forehead as well, just to bring the colour back in. I also took that down the side of my nose to define it slightly too. Blush, I used the new NARS palette that has just come out. I'm actually going to be giving 3 away, so make sure you guys check out the description box on how to enter. But I applied that on the tops of my cheekbones and also down the bridge of my nose as well. Then I took a clean brush. I really recommend using a clean brush if you're going to do this like whole sun-kissed look on your nose. It just blends it out and makes it look really, really natural and doesn't make it look too harsh. So I just use a clean brush to blend it all in. Just gives a really cute, flushed, I've been in the sun for too long kind of look. For highlight, I use this Sleek palette and I think it's in the shade Cleopatra. This is my favourite drugstore highlighter. It's very similar to Champagne Pop in colour, so it's very gold and it looks amazing in sunlight. Applied that on the tops of my cheekbone, on my brow bone, anywhere where I would naturally get kind of glowy if I was in the sun. My faux freckles, use the same pencil that I used in my brows. It's super soft, so it gives a really natural look. If you want something that is more obvious, I would maybe use like a gel liner or something, but for a natural freckle look, this pencil is perfect. So I just applied that on my nose and on my cheeks and then blended it out with my finger. For my lips, I decided to go for something that was really similar to my natural lip shade. This is a lipstick by NARS in the shade Gypsy. It's literally like my lip colour, so I used that and then blended that in. I wanted something that was a little bit more pink and like more summer appropriate, so I used a lip pencil in the shade Let's Go Crazy. I didn't use too much because it is super pink, so I just dabbed that over the top and I created more of a lip tint, which is the look I kind of wanted to go for. So that is it for my no makeup look, summer edition. It's super flushed and glowy and I absolutely love how it came out. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Like I said, I'm also doing a giveaway on the blush palette I used in this video, so make sure you check out the description for that. Love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video.